am I able to visit that? But we're, you know, I feel very gratified that we were able to invest in this road so that more people can see that.
Pinakita rin sa inyo si Sharon Stone, ha?
Sharon?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Ang mga pinakita yung mga Blessed Virgin, yung candle, yung Holy Family, yung three kings, yung castles, yung
Payatas.
dinosaur,
Payatas mo dun, eh.
yung mais, yung vegetables, yung mushroom.
Mushroom.
Meron ng ganun.
Yes.
Tsaka yung giraffe niya.
Tama.
Ah.
I've been there twice. But I did not hear about that mais that bago lang.
Bago yan.
Bago lang.
Eh ma'am, nakita nyo rin yung LRT.
LRT.
May LRT doon ma'am, di ba? Underpass.
Delikado sa cave. Pag madilim, nagkano yung imagination.
No, but really, that's the way to
appreciate.
a cave visit. You have to, your imagination must really expand. Otherwise, you will not remember the shapes.
Yung nagdadala dyan, yung nagpapadel, eh. Sa kwentuhan, eh.